Do you want firmer, plumper, more youthful looking skin for less? Do you want to help your skin to produce collagen so it looks firmer and not have to spend thousands of dollars to get it? I know I used to spend hundreds of dollars on skincare products and thousands of dollars at the Medi Spa. But since I've started using these DIY natural skincare recipes that I'm going to show you today, my skin has totally been transformed and I haven't had to spend a ton of money to get the results. I no longer feel the need to spend money on expensive products or even Medi Spa treatments. Best of all, the skincare recipes that I'm going to show you today are made of all natural organic ingredients, so they're actually good for your skin and good for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special vlog for all of these skincare enthusiasts out there. I'll be sharing with you 3 DIY and natural skincare recipes using castor oil that will help you achieve beautiful and radiant skin. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Before we start with the recipes though, let's talk about the benefits of using castor oil in your skincare routine. Castor oil is an ancient, all-natural ingredient known for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. It's rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that help to hydrate the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy skin regeneration. It's also great for improving the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Cleopatra, the renowned Egyptian queen, was known for her beauty and skincare rituals using castor oil. Cleopatra used castor oil serums as facial moisturizers, and she also used them in her hair care as well. One of the reasons why castor oil has been so beloved since ancient times is because castor oil is amazing at helping your skin to produce collagen, which helps your skin to look more youthful and radiant. Using castor oil based skincare products can be used effectively to combat signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. So your skin is actually going to look firmer when you're using skincare products with castor oil in them. So castor oil actually will help your skin to produce collagen and elastin, both of which to help your skin look firmer and less saggy. So it'll help to reduce wrinkles, so your skin will wind up looking smoother and more youthful. Castor oil provides several benefits in skincare, such as it moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, which help to hydrate and moisturize the skin. It penetrates deep into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration and leaving the skin feeling soft and supple. Castor oil will also help reduce inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and swelling. It is particularly beneficial for conditions like acne and psoriasis. Castor oil also helps promote healthy skin regeneration. Castor oil stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, which are essential for maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness. This promotes healthy skin cell regeneration, resulting in a smoother and more youthful complexion. It will also improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. The moisturizing and healing properties of castor oil can help fade scars and reduce those stretch marks. Regular use of castor oil can gradually help fade those marks and make the skin appear more even-toned and smooth. Castor oil also has anti-aging effects. Because it's rich in antioxidants, it helps to protect the skin from free radicals and prevent premature aging. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, like we said earlier, and leaves the skin looking super youthful and radiant. One of the key factors in maintaining a youthful looking complexion is keeping it well hydrated. Castor oil is a rich source of those fatty acids, which help to moisturize and hydrate your skin. By deeply nourishing the skin, castor oil can help your skin look plumper and so much more radiant. Castor oil also does help to protect your skin against free radicals. Castor oil is rich in those antioxidants which help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage the skin cells and accelerate the aging process. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, castor oil helps prevent premature aging and keeps your skin looking youthful. It also helps in cell turnover, so it helps to remove the dead skin cells from your face and stimulate the growth of new skin cells, which makes your skin look smoother and more vibrant. By incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine, you can enjoy its anti-aging benefits and keep your skin looking radiant and youthful. And best of all, it's very affordable. I know I was having tons of wrinkling in my neck area, and I was also experiencing loss of elasticity and firmness. Once I started using the castor oil recipes that I'm going to show you today, my neck totally became firmer and the wrinkles were greatly reduced. Also, my neck looks so much firmer. I also love using the serums that I'm going to show you today on my chest area where I was experiencing a lot of stretch marks from having lost over 50 pounds. But since using the castor oil recipes that I'm going to show you today, it has 100% taken away the stretch marks on my chest and also actually firmed up my chest area, believe it or not. So needless to say, I am so happy with the results that I've gotten from these recipes, and I couldn't wait to share them with you. I also love to use these serums around my eye area, and it has greatly reduced any wrinkles, and it also alleviates the tightness of dry skin. So it will make any dry areas that you have on your skin just feel so much more comfortable and so much more refreshed and rejuvenated, because it will take away the tightness and that uncomfortable feeling of dry skin. Now that we know why castor oil is so beneficial, let's move on to the recipes. The first recipe I'm sharing is a simple and effective castor oil face serum. Although this serum in particular, I also love to use on my body as well. For this youthful glow castor oil recipe, you will need to take 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And you'll also want to mix in 5 drops of vitamin E oil. If you'd like to add 3 drops of lavender for a calming effect, then you can also add that as well. I personally love my serums to remain unscented, so I personally skip that step, but you can go ahead and add any essential oil that you'd like. Just add 3 drops. The first step in this recipe is to combine your oils in a small bowl. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil until well blended. Castor oil provides the deep moisturization, while the jojoba oil is known for its skin soothing properties. Next, you want to take the aloe vera gel and mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel into our oils, which is known for its hydrating and soothing properties. Aloe vera gel is also going to help reduce pore size on your skin, and it's great at helping to reduce redness as well. So it's great if you have acne prone skin. Next, you'll want to add 5 drops of vitamin E to our serum. Vitamin E is known to help nourish and protect the skin, enhancing the serum's anti-aging properties. Then you want to take your optional essential oil and you'll add 3 drops of the oil of your choice and blend thoroughly. Mix all of the ingredients to ensure a smooth and consistent texture. You'll want to transfer this into a glass dropper bottle and protect it from air and light exposure. You'll want to focus this youthful glow facial serum on areas where you may have wrinkles and fine lines, such as on your forehead, around your eyes and mouth, and on your neck. I also personally love to use this serum on my feet and has made them so baby soft. And I also love to use this serum on my legs where I have stretch marks, in addition onto my chest where I also have had stretch marks, but I do still use it to prevent them from coming back now. And it has just greatly reduced any marks on my body. And because I lost so much weight, my skin had lost a lot of elasticity, so it's very sagging on especially my inner thighs. But this serum has actually helped to firm that skin as well. My thighs have actually become firmer. My stomach has gotten firmer as well, and it has truly helped to firm the skin on my body where I had so much loss of elasticity and I had a lot of sagging because of the weight loss. So I love how this serum, while it's slightly thicker in texture, it does not feel sticky at all on your skin. It just feels so nourishing and so hydrating. I also love to use it on my hands and my cuticles. I literally drench myself in this. I just cannot believe the results that I've seen since I've been using this skincare recipe. And it also looks beautiful under makeup, giving you a dewy glow and a radiant complexion. The glass skin effect is like no other. I'm wearing it today under my makeup and I just love it so much. Another serum using castor oil that I love to DIY at home is the following skincare recipe. You take 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, 5 drops of vitamin E oil, and 3 drops of an essential oil of your choice for fragrance if you prefer. Again, you're going to combine all of your oils in a small bowl. I love this serum, especially for the face, because this one has rosehip oil in it, which is rich in vitamin C, so it's going to help promote specifically skin's regeneration, and it's also super brightening. So you'll start by combining 1 tablespoon of castor oil and then 1 tablespoon of the rosehip oil and blend these two oils together. Then I add 5 drops of vitamin E oil. Blend all of the ingredients together to ensure a smooth and consistent texture. Pour this elixir into a clean, dark glass dropper bottle. And using a dark glass bottle helps to protect the oils from light exposure, preserving their potency. This serum is great for nightly application, so you want to apply this serum to clean, damp skin before going to bed. It will work overnight to nourish and repair your skin. My third recipe is a quick and easy castor oil mask that you can apply to your face or any parts of your body that you'd like to deeply hydrate and nourish. For this recipe, you'll need 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix these ingredients together until they form a smooth paste. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. This mask will deeply nourish your skin, leaving it soft and glowing. My friend Zach actually turned me on to this recipe, and his skin is so bright and glowing, you can't believe it. And there you have it, 3 DIY all-natural skincare recipes using castor oil for beautiful skin. Incorporating these recipes into your skincare routine will not only save you money, but it will ensure you're using natural and beneficial ingredients for your skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. So make sure to give these recipes a try and let me know how they work out for you. I do generally purchase all of my organic skincare ingredients on Amazon, so I'll have everything linked down below where you can purchase them directly, easily from my Amazon storefront. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and DIY recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. So until next time, take care and stay glowing.